Growing up, I was a brat. अभी थोड़ी कम हूँ, पहले बहुत ज़्यादा थी. I was a 9-year-old brat with a single mother who was raised and spoiled like a princess by her dad till she was 7. Mama was so busy working 18-hour shifts that she didn't know much about my life. Or that is what I thought. Until one Sunday when she walked into my room and asked, क्या कर रही है? मैं तो कुछ नहीं. Shopping चलेगी? I couldn't believe my ears. My mom wanted to spend time and money on me? Was this really happening? I picked out the cutest dress and made a checklist of everything I had to speak to her about. The bully kid, the new friend I made, the teacher I once loved but now hated, etc., etc., etc. What? It's not every day that a 9-year-old gets to spend time with her mom. इतना privileged कोई नहीं होता है. We went to the market and since it was holy time, it was lit up with festive stalls. She took me to one and asked me to pick up whichever pichkari I liked. And me being me, picked out the most expensive one. You know the one with the tank on the back, जिसमें एक बार पानी भर दिया फिर कभी लाइफ में पानी भरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The machine guns of pichkaris. That one. She took a moment to register my insane demand and honestly told me that she couldn't afford it. So instead, she would buy me a 10 rupee pichkari. और 10 रुपी पिचकारी जिसको छू के कैंसर हो जाए, जिससे ज़्यादा पानी तो मेरे हाथों में आता है. No, I don't want this pichkari. Are you kidding me? Apparently not, because she added that she'll buy me a packet of water balloons to compensate. For water balloons? I cannot carry this pichkari and water balloons to a festival. I will be made fun of. In a second, I wanted to burn the whole world down. Of course, this lady was being unreasonable. All this nonsense of let's go shopping together was a lie. She didn't care about me. And suddenly, it wasn't about pichkaris anymore. I burst. I burst out with the pent-up anger I was hiding for 2 years. And I said things that I regret till today. I told her that she was a bad mother. पापा होते ना तो मना नहीं करते मेरे को, क्योंकि वो प्यार करते थे मेरे से. आप नहीं करते हो. पापा की जगह आपको जाना चाहिए था. I cried, I howled, and I created the biggest scene of my life in a market. Mom had no other option but to slap me to make me shut up. That day, both mom and daughter cried in the car on their way back home. I entered the house and I banged the door shut while throwing as many tantrums as humanly possible. Till my knight in shining armor knocked on my door. My Nani. Laddo, Nani di help kar de. She knew I couldn't say no to her. मेरा मूड बहुत खराब है, मेरे से ज़्यादा काम मत करवाना. She took me to the washroom, laid out 2 stools for us and started filling the bucket of water. She had that same fancy pichkari that I wanted, borrowed it from a neighbor kid, and the one that mom had bought. She said she needed help filling the water balloons and I sternly told her, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी ये पिचकारी लेके फेस्टिवल में, मैं मजाक बनेगा नानी. लाडो, कौन बना रहा है तेरा मजाक? वो 2nd फ्लोर वाला लड़का है ना, वो मेरे को गरीब गरीब चढ़ाता है और बाकी बच्चों को बोलता है मेरे साथ नहीं खेलने के लिए, क्योंकि मेरे पापा नहीं है ना. Nani's eyes widened, but she didn't know what to say. So she instead asked me what happened at the market and I went on a rant telling her everything and she gave me the most perfect reactions. है? ऐसा बोला मम्मा ने? नहीं, मैं बात करूंगी मम्मा से, ये तो गलत है, ये तो बहुत गलत है. Simultaneously, while filling the balloons, I realized that the fancy pichkari was pretty useless. Its nozzle is so big that a balloon wouldn't fit on it and I automatically had to move to the smaller pichkari because it was thin and it was just perfect to fill the balloons. When we were done, Nani got up excitedly and told me, चल balcony में वो 2nd floor वाला बच्चा आता होएगा. We took the balloons, we rushed to the balcony. We were on the 4th floor, diagonally opposite to the 2nd floor where the kid lived. And when that 10-year-old stepped out, my 65-year-old Nani hit him with water balloons with all her might. Dude, it was a sight. She was very old, but she did it. And she gave me a few, taught me how to aim. In sync, we would hit and hide and hit and hide. Oh my God, that poor thing had no idea whom he had messed with. When we were done, we crawled back in, laughing on the floor like 2 soldiers escaping a war zone. It's my most favorite memory of my childhood. Then she told me, Bacche, if life takes away the fancy pichkari from you, it always compensates with water balloons. But it is a choice you will have to make every single day, whether to choose the balloons or cry over the pichkari that you didn't get. She was right. She was always right. She also told me that Mama is doing as much as she can. But for a change, don't wait for her to hold your hand. Instead, you hold hers. Maybe, just maybe, she needs you more than you need her. I knew I had been a bad daughter. So I went to my mom and apologized, but she didn't accept my sorry. Rather, she was sorry to give birth to me, obviously. पर माँ है, कब तक गुस्सा रहती. Thank you.